Good morning, student 10, 9 students. Some more question I am going to solve from this exercise 25. Only few questions are given in exercise 25. So in last video I solved some question. Today again I am going to solve some question from this exercise. So whenever a standard angle are given, you have to put the value of the standard angle. Other than the standard angle, you have to convert into complementary angle, then you have to use the formula. And what are the standard angle? Standard angle 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. These are the standard angle that we have to study. Now see this question. Cos square 25 degree minus sin square 65 degree minus tan square 45 degree. Hey. These two terms, 25 plus 65 is coming, when we sum 25 and 30, 65, it is coming 90 degree. So what we will do, out of these two angles, we will convert one of the angle into complementary. And the third term, the standard angle given 45, we will put the value. So, I am going to convert this one first one. Cos square 90 degree, how much will we subtract so that it will be 25? So from 90, when we will subtract 65 degree, then it will be 25 degree minus sin square 65 degree at tan 41, one value. Now cos 90 minus theta, sin theta. So it becomes sin square 65 degree minus sin square 65 minus 1. This cancel 0 minus 1 answer is minus 1. 8. Sin 77 degree by cos 30 degree square plus cos 77 degree by sin 13 degree minus 2 cos square 45 degree. Right. Now see here. First term, second term and third term. Three terms are there. And the first two terms are given in the fractions. So when we sum 77 and 30 degree become 90. Here also 77 and 30 become 90. So out of the one I will convert into complementary angle. Let us convert the first one, numerator. You can convert numerator or numerator, anyone. Right. I am converting sine. So sine, how much subtract from 90 so that it becomes 77? 30. And right here, cos 30 degree, there square. Plus, again convert this one, cos 90 degree minus 30. You have to give the another bracket here. Right. By sine 30 degree minus 2. Cos 45 1 by root 2. Since it is a standard angle, we have to put the value 1 by root 2. Now sin 90 minus 30 means cos 30 degree, and this is cos 30 degree there square plus this is sin 30 degree by sin 30 degree minus 2 into 1 by 2. So this cancel, 1 square means 1. There square also 1 square means 1 minus 1, cancel, answer is 1. Right. This way we have to solve this exercise. Three, tan 10 degree, tan 15 degree into tan 75 degree into tan 80 degree. You have to prove equal to 1. Right? So see here, only one term, E2 is there. Now I am giving you idea. See, 10 degree plus 80 degree become 90. 15 degree plus 75 degree become 90. So from these two we will convert one of them into complementary, and from these two we will convert one of them into complementary angle. So if we convert it 10, 90, how much subtract from 90 so that become 10? 80 degree. 10, how much convert from 90 degree so that become 50, 75 degree. And leave this 10, 75 degree into 10, 80 degree. We have to prove equal to 1. So don't write equal to 1. Now tan 90 minus theta, got it. Theta is 80 here. Here got 75. Tan 75 degree into tan 80 degree. Now we need to know the cot is the reverse of tan. So in place of cot 80 we can write 1 by 10 80 degree, 1 by 10 75 degree into tan 75 degree into tan 80 degree. Cancel it. What is that? Sorry, 12. 8. See this question number 4. Sin 59 degree plus tan 63 degree. This is the angle more than 45. But you have to write this angle and this angle 59 and 63 between 0 to 45. For this what you have to do? Convert it to complementary angle. It will come. The angle will come between 0 to 45 degree. So from sin 90 degree, how much we will subtract? That will be 59 become. 59 given, yes. So better you how much you subtract? Subtract it from 90 degree. For your idea, 31 degree. So how much subtract from 90 so that it becomes 59? 31 degree. Plus tan 90 degree. How much will subtract from 90 so that it become 90? This is 27. Now this become cos 31 degree plus cot 27 degree. See, these two angles between 0 to 45. So whenever this type of question is there, convert it to the complementary angle, you will get the answers. Now, in triangle ABC, this is given triangle ABC. Then we have to prove sin A plus B by 2 is equal to cos C by 2. This we have to prove. Right? Since it is given triangle ABC, then you know the sum of angle of a triangle is equal to 180. So we can write angle A plus angle B plus angle C will be 180 degree. Divide both sides by 2 because here A by 2 and B by 2 and C by 2 is there. So how will you get angle A by 2, B by 2 and C by 2? Will be divided by 2. But we cannot divide one side. We have to divide both the sides. So divide it by 2. This becomes 90 degree. Now we can write angle A by B by 2 plus angle C by 2 is equal to 90 degree. Now angle A plus B by 2, this will come this side, then it become 90 degree minus angle C by 2. Now sin is there. So multiply both the sides by sin. So when we multiply sin angle A plus angle B by 2 is equal to sin this 90 degree minus angle C by 2. Now see, sin 90 minus theta. In place of theta, there is angle C by 2. So what is the formula? So here, see here, sin angle A plus angle B by 2. Sin 90 minus theta, theta is here, angle C by 2. It becomes cos theta, cos angle C by 2. See. So up to here today. So a standard angle, once again a standard angle value you have to put other than the standard angle. See if some of two angle is coming 90, whether in fraction or multiplication sign is there, convert it into one of them into complementary and then simplify. Thank you very much. Some more question I will solve in next video.